Namaskaram girls. Today we are going to see exercise 3.9 8th sum. Okay girls. Here the question is A matrix given cos theta 0 0 cos theta. This is called 2 cross 2 matrix. Then B matrix given sin theta 0 0 sin theta. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Then show that A squared plus B squared is equal to I. I means what girl? Yes, unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay girls. Here this is called I. We want to prove that this 2 cross 2 matrix na I2. You want to show that 1 0 0 1. Okay girls. Here the left hand side. What is the left hand side here? A squared. Left hand side. First we want to find out A squared plus B squared. First I am going to find out A squared. Here A squared means you should not square up the elements. Here the matrix multiplication is totally different. Already I said last two videos. Here A squared means you have to convert as A cross A. First we write the A matrix. Again you have to write the A matrix. Okay girls. See girls. A matrix. Then again A matrix. Don't be a square girls. Each element should be square. Here A squared means some of the students will be do it like this. A squared. Abdina the element should be square. No, not to be do it. Okay. Here the 2 cross 2 matrix first row first column. Already we said first row. What is the first row? Cos theta into cos theta. Okay girls. Directly I am writing cos square theta. 0 into 0. Okay. Then the same like first row second column. Cos theta into 0, 0 into cos theta. Okay. Then see girls, second row first column 0 into cos theta 0, cos theta into 0 0. Okay. Then next second row second column 0 into 0 0, cos into cos squared theta. Okay. Now you have to simplify girls. Cos squared 0, cos squared theta plus 0, cos squared theta. Then here 0 plus 0, 0. Here also 0. Here cos squared theta. This is called A squared matrix. The same like we want to find out B squared. B squared means what will you do? B into B. Now what is the B matrix given? Yes, sin theta 0, 0 sin theta. This is B matrix. The same again you want to multiply with the B matrix. So you have to write like this. This is called a 2 cross 2 matrix. So the product also 2 cross 2 will come. Okay girls. The first row first column. The same procedure. Sin theta into sin theta what? Yes, sin squared theta 0 into 0 0. Next the first row second column. Sin theta into 0 0 0 into sin theta 0. Okay girls. Here the second row first column 0 into sin theta. Yes, then sin theta into 0. Okay. Then second row second column 0 into 0. Yes, 0 sin theta into sin theta sin squared theta. Now you have to simplify. What is the answer? Yes, sin squared theta. Here 0, here 0, here sin squared theta. Now what is the question for LHS girls? Yes, we want to add with the A squared and with the B squared. A squared matrix we already found. What found? Cos squared theta 0, then 0 cos squared theta. This is for A squared matrix. Then B squared also we found. What is the value? Yes, sin squared theta 0, 0 sin squared theta. Now you have to add the A squared matrix and the B squared matrix. Cos squared plus sin squared theta. Cos squared theta plus yes 0 plus 0. Okay. Then here here first element 0 plus 0. Then the last element is cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. In the trigonometry you studied the one formula. What is the formula you studied? Yes, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 you studied. So we know that very well. So sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. So remove the cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is called 1. Here also 0, 0, 1. This is called I2. The question is A squared plus B squared is equal to I want to prove girls. Yes, 1 0 0 1 is unit matrix. This is the answer for the 8th sum. Have you all understood? See girls, in the 9th sum, the given matrix A matrix cos theta sin theta then minus sin theta cos theta. Prove that A into A power transpose. A into A power T is equal to I. I is called here 2 cross 2 matrix. Already we saw the last sum 1 0 0 1 we want to prove. A into AT. First we want to find out AT, A transpose. Have you all know that A transpose? Yes, rows and columns should be interchanged. This is the row cos theta sin theta. This is changed in the column. Okay, this row, second row, yes, second column I have to convert. Okay girls, here you have to convert A and AT. A is given, A transposes, row should be changed as a column, column should be changed as a row. Okay girls, now you should LHS. What is the LHS? A into A transpose. Yes, first we write the A matrix. What is the A matrix? Cos theta, here sin theta, then next minus sin theta, here cos theta. Okay guys, into A transpose. Yes, A transpose what? Yes, cos theta minus sin theta, here sin theta, cos theta. Okay, have you all know the multiplication of matrix? Yes, first row, first column, just cos into cos what? Cos squared theta. Yes, sin into sin, sin squared plus sin squared theta. Have you all understood this step? Cos into cos, cos squared theta, sin into sin, sin squared theta. First row, first column. The same like first row, second column. Cos into minus sin theta. Okay girls, have a minus cos theta into sin theta. Plus sin theta into cos theta. Have you all understand the step? Yes, cos into second row, cos into minus sin theta. So minus cos into sin theta. Here sin theta into cos theta. The same like second row, first column, minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay. The next cos theta into sin theta. Next you have to do it in the second row and the second column. Minus into minus plus, sin into sin, sin squared theta. Then cos into cos, cos squared theta. Okay girls, now you have to simplify. We know that the formula sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, or otherwise cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 1. Here the minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancel, so you have to put 0. Here also minus sin theta sin theta, both they should be same. So 0. Here sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. This is on formula girls, in the trigonometry formula, very familiar formula. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So it is considered as I. Hence proved. Okay girls, this is for the 9th sum answer. See girls, 10th sum, verify that A squared is equal to I. The A matrix given. See A matrix 5 minus 4, 6 and minus 5 given. In the LHS, I we already know the unit matrix, but the given matrix is 2 cross 2. No? The answer also 2 cross 2. Okay girls, LHS A squared. A squared means all the ones do the same mistakes, because the element should be not be a square girls. A cross A. This is the This is the method A cross A. First we write the A value, A matrix. Then again you have to write the A matrix. Afterwards you have to multiply. Don't take a square number of the elements. Okay girls. The first row, first column, because the matrix multiplication is totally different. First row, first column. 5 into 5, yes. And then minus 4 into 6, yes, minus 24. Have you all understand? Yes, then second, first row, second column, 5 into minus 4, yes. Then 4, minus 4 into minus 5. Okay, then next, second row, first column, 6 into 5, yes, 30. Minus 5 into 6, yes, minus 30. Now see girls, second row, second column, 6 into minus 4, minus 24. Minus 5 into minus 5, yes, plus 25. Now you have to simplify girls, 1 0 0 will come automatically. Your answer is yes, we are very fine. Okay girls, it's very easy to mark question girls. See girls, the 11th sum they given, it's very important 5-mark question. A matrix given, I matrix given, show that A squared minus of A plus B into A is equal to BC minus AD into I2. I2 means already we know that unit matrix of 2 cross 2. Okay girls, first let us see the LHS. What is the LHS here? A squared minus of A plus B into A girls. First I am going to find out A squared. Okay, A squared means A cross A. Again and again I am going to say, because A squared means cannot be square of the elements, because the matrix multiplication is totally different. We want to multiplication of A and the A. Okay girls, the rows and the columns should be multiplied. See girls, the first row, first column, it's not be a number, it should be variables, so that used carefully, multiplying carefully girls. A into A, what A squared, B into C, BC. Have you all understand the first element? This going to the second element, first row, second element, A into B, AB, then B into D, BD. Okay girls? Then next, second row, first column, AC or CA. Okay, AC or CA. Then next what? DC. C into A, AC, D into C, DC. Okay, next, second row, second column, C into B what? SBC. Then D into D, D square. This is for A squared column, A squared matrix. Then next we want to find out A plus B into A. So, A plus B into A. So, each element should be multiplied by A plus B. So, A plus B into A matrix. What is the A matrix here? A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, each element should be multiplied by A plus B. So, A plus B into A, then A plus B into B, this is for constant, okay girls, A plus B into C, here A plus B into D. Now, you have to, each element should be multiplied by here A, here B, here C, here D. Okay, now A into A squared plus AB. Okay, this is for first element. Then next element multiply with B. AB plus BD. Okay. Next C. AC plus BC or CD. Okay. Here AD plus D square. This is called A plus B into A. Now the LHS is, what is the LHS? Yes, LHS is A squared minus of A plus B into A. Now you have to apply the A squared value. What is the A squared value we found? Yes, A squared plus BC. Then here what AB plus BD. The next element AC plus DC. Here next element is BC plus D squared. This is for A squared matrix minus of A plus B into A already found. What? A squared plus AD. Here AB plus BD. The next third element AC plus CD or DC. Here AD, DC or CD. Okay, AD anywhere. AD plus D squared. Now you have to subtract girls. See, this is for A squared, this is for A plus B into A. You want to subtract each element. So first element A squared plus BC minus of this. The minus is common for two elements. Here minus A squared minus AD. Okay. The next second element what? AB plus BD. Here the minus is common for both. Minus AB minus BD. Okay. The next here AC or DC or CD. Here also the minus is common for both elements. So minus AC minus DC. Then next here what? BC plus D squared you want to subtract. Here minus AD minus D squared. Now you have to simplify girls. What is the simplification? Minus A squared plus A squared cancel. Here minus BD plus D, everything is will be cancelled here. Here also. Here D squared and the D squared cancel. The remaining is BC minus AD 0 0. Here what? BC minus AD. Now I am going to take BC minus AD. Here also BC minus AD. Here also minus BC. So BC minus AD should be take out, means you have to replace that place is 1, then 0 0 1. This is what we want to prove. BC minus AD into what you would write here, I2. Girls, BC minus AD I am taking out. The replace is 1. Here nothing is there, so that I put 0 girls. This is one method girls, things proved. Or otherwise you have to stop this. Then this is called LHS. In the RHS what their question is? Yes, BC minus AD into I2. Girls, listen. This is for RHS. Then BC minus AD. I2, we know very well 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you should multiply, girls. You will get the LHS answer. Okay, 0 BC minus AD. Okay, this is for RHS answer. So now you have to verify the LHS and the RHS should be same. So that can verify this. Okay, this is one important sum, girls. In the exercise 12th sum, girls, all the sums are 5 mark questions, girls. See whether you have to watch carefully, do it carefully, girls. A matrix given 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 8, girls. This is the order of the matrices 2 cross 3. Here B matrix given 1, 7, 1, 2, 5 minus 1. Here 3 cross 2 matrix given. So verify that AB power transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This is one rule, girl. Yes, the transpose should be multiplication of the transpose. Okay, girls, we want to prove that LHS. What is the LHS here? AB power transpose. First we want to find out multiplication of the matrix A and B. Okay, afterwards the answer should be you have to transpose. First A matrix. What is the A matrix? Yes, 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 8. This is for A matrix. Then B matrix is yes 1, 7, 1, 2, 5 minus 1. Now this is the order is 2 cross 3. This is the order is 3 cross 2. Now you will get the answer is yes. Already we said 2 cross 2. Because the first matrix column, the second matrix row should be equal. The remaining should be the product of the matrix. Okay. Now you should multiply first row, first column. Girls, see 5 into 1, 5, 2 into 1, 2, then 9 5s are. Okay. This is for first element. Then first row, second column. So 5 into 7. Yes. 2 into 2. Then next 9 into minus 1. Here, girls, see. Then second row, first column. 1 into 1. Then 2 into 1 plus 8 into 5. Okay. Now second row, second column. 1 into 7. Then 2 into 2. Then 1 into minus 8 into minus 1. Now you have to simplify, girls. 5 plus 2, yes, 7, 7 plus 45, how much? 52. Okay, girls? 52. Then here 39 minus 9. What is the answer? Yes, 39 minus 9. Here 43. Here 7 plus 4, how much? 11. 11 minus 8? Yes, 3. This is the answer. Not answer. AB. Multiplication of AB. But we want to find out the LHS answer is AB power transpose. Transpose means already we know that the rows and columns should be interchanged. Here the rows should be changed as a column. So how do you write? Yes, 52 and 30. Then next 43 and 3. This is for LHS answer. The same like we want to find out RHS, girls. RHS first we want to multiply B power transpose, then A transpose. Now we want to find out RHS, girls. B power transpose and A power transpose. First we want to find out B transpose. What is the B transpose? Yes, B matrix given 1, 7, 1, 2, then 1 minus 5 given. So rows and columns should be interchanged already I said. Here 1, 5. The column should be changed as a row. Here 7, 2, minus 1. This is for B transpose. Then A transpose. A transpose what, girls? Yes. Here what? 5 to 9. 5 to 9 should be changed as a column. Then here 1 to 8 should be changed as a column. Okay. Now we want to multiplication of B transpose and A transpose. First we write the B transpose. What is the B transpose? 1, 1, 5. Here 7, 2, minus 1. This is for B transpose matrix. Then A transpose 5, 1, 2, 2, 9, 8. Now we have to write the order of the matrix 2 cross 3. Here 3 cross 2. Now you will get the product of the matrices 2 cross 2. Can you multiply, girls? Yes. First row, first column. You have to simplify, girls. First row, what is the first row? 1 into 5. Here, 1 into 5, yes 5, plus 1 into 2, 2, then 9 into 5, 45. Okay girls? Then next, first row, second column, 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, then 5 into 8. Okay? The next, second row, first column, 7 into 5, then 2 2s are, then minus 1 into 9. Okay? Then the second row, second column, 7 into 1, then 2 into 2, minus 1 into 8. Now you have to simplify girls. 45, 52, here 43, here if you simplify you will get 30, here if you simplify you will get 3. Okay, this is for 2. Now you have to check whether the first one and the second one should be same. Yes, AB power transpose is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, this is one rule, the matters rule, product of the transpose. Okay. This is very important at the last sum girls. A matrix given, 3, 1, minus 1, 2 given. We want to prove that a squared minus 5a plus 7i2 is equal to 0. Here a squared means we want to multiplication of a into a. Then you want to multiply with the minus 5a. Then afterwards 7 into i2. i2 means you already know unit matrix. So multiply with the 7 and you have to simplify. You will get the 0 matrix or null matrix. Okay. Can you do it girls? Yes, first we want to find out a squared in the LHS. First we want to find out a squared. A cross A. Okay. Yeah, keep on I am saying this is a squared means a and a. You should not square of the elements. Okay. 3, then 1, minus 1, 2. Then a also 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Now you have to simplify multiplication of the 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 the answer is. So 3 into 3 what? 9. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now the second row, first row, second column. 3 into 1, 3. Then 1 into 2. Okay. Then next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3. Then here 2 into minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Okay girls. So now you have to simplify. A 9 minus 1, 3 plus 2, then minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, here minus 1, 4, 3. Okay girls, so this is for a squared answer. Then next we want to find out minus 5, plus 5a, 5a. 5 times of, you should multiply with the a matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Now you should multiply with the 5, 15, then what? 5, minus 5, 10. Okay girls, this is for 5a. Then 7i2, next one is 7i2. 7 into i2 means 2 cross 2. So 1, 0, 0, 1. This is unit matrix. Now if you multiply with the 7, 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay girls, now you have to apply in the LHS. What is the LHS here? A squared minus 5a plus 7i2. Now a squared, what is the answer? 8, 5 minus 5, 3. This is for a squared answer we found. Then 5a minus 1. What is the 5a? 15, 5 minus 5, 10 here. Okay girls? Plus 7i2. What is the 7i2 answer? 7, 0, 0, 7. Now you have to simplify together. How do you do together girls? 8. First element, first element, first element. This is want to subtract girls. So minus 15 plus 7. Here this matrix should be subtract. This alone. Okay. Then next. Here next. Second element 5. Here minus 5. Then 0. Have you all understand this matrix? This is the matrix should be negative matrix you want to add. Okay. Then here minus 5. This is the negative minus into minus plus 5. Then here 0. The next third element. Okay girls. 3. Here the minus 10. Here plus 7. Now you will simplify 0, 0, 0. Yes, we want to prove that 0 matrix or null matrix. Hence proved. Okay girls. In this exercise girls, matrix we studied girls. The last one week I sent the mattress videos. What are the videos I sent? Yes, 3.17, then 3.18, then 3.19. Yes, they will ask the 1 mark question, then 2 mark question, then 5 mark question. It is very easy topic for the mattress. You will get the marks also easily, girls. So you have to work out and do it. In class work also you have to do it. Okay, girls. The 3 exercises is complete and you have to show it in the tomorrow. Girls, see in this video we are going to see algebra lesson, third lesson. Third lesson totally the 20 exercises are there. They very big lesson. The first exercise there should be a confirmation of deleted. Otherwise, suppose they should be added means we will say we will teach later. Okay, girls, in the reopen time we will teach, because already you studied in the 9th standard exercise elimination and substitution method. Then cross you have to find out the solution of the 3 variables they given in this exercise. So I will teach later. The next 3.2 onwards, 3.20 we want to study, girls. 3.17 to 3.19 mattress topic already I taught in the last videos. Okay, girls. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2. 3.2, what is in this exercise means, in the exercise 3.2, the LCM of and the HCF of polynomials. Polynomials we very well know that, because what the polynomials more than 3 degrees is called polynomials. Here we want to find out the LCM of the given polynomials and the GCD of the given polynomials. In this exercise LCM we have to study, girls. In the LCM means how do you find out, girls? Let us see one by one. In this examples 3.12 LCM. What is the meaning of LCM, girls? Yes, the least common multiples of the variables and the numbers. In the lower classes we studied, the last year also you are studied in the algebra LCM, girls. Let us see one by one. See, girls, LCM we are going to see. First see the number 8, 16, 2 numbers are given. We want to find out the LCM. How do you find out the L factorization? 8, 16 we have to write like this. The prime factorization 2, 3, 5, the 7th table we want to divide with the 2 table. How many 2s are? Yes. How many 2s are? 16. Yes, again you have to divide. Up to prime number you have to divide 2. Then here what? 4. Then next divide with the 2, 1, 2. Now you have to stop the division, because the 1 and 2 is, yes, 1 is not neither prime nor a composite. So 2 is the prime number. See here the divisions. What are the divisions? Here HCF called. What are the common divisors? 2, 2, 2. How many 2s? Yes, 8. Here the LCM is considered as all the numbers you have to conclude. 2 into 2 into 2, then 1 into 2. Now you will get 16, the highest number. This is called LCM and the HCF. HCF or GCD you have to say. The GCD we have to see the later. The LCM means we want to all the devices as well as what are the numbers remainder. The remainder also you have to multiply, girls. These are the LCM method. How to find out the variables? See, girls, this is one polynomial. This is one term. This is one term. 2 terms. LCM we need means, first see the common variables. What is the common variable? Here also x, here also x. The x, the highest power we want to write. Highest power what? Power means the degree. 2, here 3. Here what is the highest degree? 3. X power 3. Then here y is there. Then here y squared is there. What is the highest degree? Y squared. Suppose another one term is here z is added in this term of the means. The z is not a common. No problem. You have to write like that. Whatever the things. The common variable you have to write the highest degree. The common, not a common variable, you have to write as it is. Okay, girls? Have you all understand this one? Again I will say. See, girls, 2 terms. If you want to find out the LCM means, the numbers means you have to find out like this. Okay, you want to find out the highest factors as well as the numbers, you should multiply, the LCM will come. பட் வேரியபிளுக்கு என்னன்னா காமனாக இருக்கிறதுல ஹையஸ்ட் டிகிரி எடுக்கணும் சரியா. தென் இந்த காமனாக இல்லாததையும் எடுத்துக்கணும். இதுதான் எல்சிஎம். எல்சிஎம் மீன்ஸ் the highest degree whatever in the common variables, the remaining as well as you have to write. This like we want to see in the exercise, girls. See girls, now let us see the exercise 3.2. Second sum I am going to teach. Afterwards I will teach the first one, you know, because it is very easy, girls. Two terms given. Each sum should be two terms. You want to find out the LCM. LCM you want to find out. First you have to see the numerical values. What is the numerical value? 4 and 8. Here you have to write like this: 4 and 8 in the rough column. Divide with the two table because the prime numbers we know very well. 2, 3, 5. So first you divide with the two table. 2 2s are there, 4 2s are. Okay girls. Next you have to divide with the two table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are. Okay, now you should multiply all the numbers. That should be a LCM. 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. 2 2s are, yes, 4 2s are 8. So first you have to write the number 8. 8 is the LCM of 4 and 8. Okay girls, then see the variables. Here x squared is there, here x cubed there. Already I said, what I said, the degree should be higher or the greatest degree. X is the same variable. What is the variable here? X squared is there, x power 3. What is the highest degree? Yes, x power 3. Then see the here y and y squared. What is the highest degree? Y squared. This is called the LCM. The LCM of 4x squared y and 8x cubed y squared. The two terms. 8 is the numerical value, x cubed and y squared. This is one word question first. Okay, let us see the second one. See, 9a squared b squared, then 12a squared b squared is c. First see the number. What is the number? Yes, 9 and 12. You want to divide with the 3 table. 2, 3, 5, 7 is the prime number. So 2 is cannot be divided with 9. So I am taking 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Then 4 3s are 12. 3 and 4 is the one is prime, another one is a composite. So let the stop the division. Now the LCM is you have to multiply all the numbers. What are the numbers? 3 into 3 into 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. So LCM is equal to, first write the number 36. Then see the variable. Here also a squared, here also a squared. So a squared. The two terms you have to compare and the degree is the highest degree. You want to write it in the LCM. Then b squared, here also b squared. So no problem. Here the c is there, here not c. So you have to write it as it is. புரிஞ்சுதா இந்த சம்மா? Here 9 and 12 you have to find out the LCM. Then a squared, ரெண்டுத்துல common degree, here also common degree. The highest degree want to write, but both should be common. நால அப்படியே எழுதிட்டோம். Here c இருக்கு, இங்க c இல்ல. So that you have to write like this. Okay. Then see the next one. 3 terms are given. So write it in the numbers first. 16, 12, 8. First write, divide with the 2 table. 8, 6, then 4. Again divide with the 2 table. 4, 3, 2. Then you have to divide with the 2 table. 2 2s are 3 cannot be divided. So as it is, you have to write 1. Now you should multiply all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2. Then here what? 2 into 3. Now you should multiply 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3 what? Yes. 16 3s are 16 3s are. Yes, 48. Okay girls. Now LCM is 48. The number is 48. Now see the variables. Here m is there, here m squared is there, here m is not there. So you have to see whether the degree is greatest degree m. Okay. Is there or not, no problem. But see the variables. The common variable now you have to see the highest degree. Next here n is not there, so no problem. Here n squared, here n squared. So write it in the n squared. This is for the LCM of the third sum. See the fourth sum girls. Here the given term is p squared minus 3p plus 2. This is for a quadratic equation. The next one is p squared minus 4. Two terms they given. You want to find out the LCM. If you want to find out the LCM, before that you want to find out the factorization. Factorization we very well know that yes, multiplication is 2. If you add or subtract, you will get minus 3. What are the numbers girls? Yes, minus 2 minus 1. If you multiply, you will get 2. Then if you add, you will get minus 3. Okay, you put the variables p divided by the p squared. which is divided by p, we will get the factorization of p minus 2 one factor, another one factor is p minus 2 one factor, p minus 1 another one factor. Next we want to find out the factorization of p squared minus 4. You have to convert as a equation identity. Yes, 2 squared, a squared minus b squared. What is the a here? B. Here b is 2. Okay girls, a plus b into a minus b. This is one identity we know. Have you all know that girls? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. This identity is very familiar girls, everyone's. So p plus 2 and the p minus 2. Now we have to check what is the common for both terms girls. Here on quadratic equation, here on quadratic equation. Now we have the common is p minus 2. Okay girls. Now the LCM is, you want to write p minus 2 is the common. Then uncommon also you want to write. What is the uncommon here? P minus 1 and the remaining is p plus 2. These are the LCM of these two terms, these two polynomials. See girls, the fifth sum, two polynomials given. The one is the quadratic equation, another one also. Okay girls, first let us take p of x or q of x, anyone. Otherwise you have to directly find out. No problem. If you multiply minus 2 into 3. What is the factor? Here if you multiply minus 6 girls, the same number if you add minus 5. What are the factors girls? Yes. Here how do you write? 6 on this 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Where want to put minus girl? Yes, minus 5 means the biggest number should be minus the smallest. X divided by 2x squared. X divided by 2x squared. Now you have to simplify 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are. The factor is, what is the factor? X minus 3, one factor. The another one factor is 2x plus 1. Have you all understood girls? This already you studied in the last year, and now itself you are studied in the factorizations. Okay. Now see the next polynomial, next term is given. How do you find out this factorization? Yes, yes, you have to work out in the a plus b the whole square, a squared minus b squared. Okay girls, a squared minus b squared. What is the formula girls? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now this is considered as q of x, p of x and q of x. Let us verify which is the common girls. 2 should be taken out girls. What is x plus 3 one will answer. Another here also we have to take 2 girls. Then x minus 3 will come. Okay. Otherwise we have to take this another method girls. 4 should take out. X squared minus 9 will come. Okay. Have you all understand this step? If you want to understand me, if you need this method means you have to use this. Otherwise you have to use this method. Okay. 4 into x squared minus 3 squared as usual method. X plus 3 into x minus 3. Any one method you have to follow. Now you have to simply you have to verify which is the common and which is the not common. Yes, x minus 3 is the common. X minus 3 is the common. Then number 4 is there here not there. So you have to take a 4 is first. Then x minus 3. Then 2x plus 1 not a common. 2x plus 1 not a common. Then x plus 3 also. These are the factors for the LCM. Now have you all understand girls? This is one method girls. LCM. First you have to factorize and simplify. The next one we have to use any one method. Okay girls. Next see the sixth sum. 3 terms are given. Okay. The first let us take p of x. What is the p of x? 2x squared minus 3xy the whole square. Now I am taking x is common. X is out. X taken means what is the x I am going to take out. Remaining is 2x minus 3y. Here what girls? A square is there. So put square. Now I am writing x squared. The square should be separated. Okay. 2x minus 3y the whole square. You all understand this step? Yes, p of x. The same like here q of x. What is the q of x girls? Here 8x cube minus 27y cube. Sorry, another one term is there, q of x. So this is called r of x. Okay girls, here q of x on this way. What is the q of x here? 4x minus 6y the whole cube. Okay. Here I am going to take 2 is a common. The remaining is 2x minus 3y. Then the power is 3. The 3 is common for 2 and the 2x minus 3. So I am going to split 2 cube into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So 2 is taken out, girls. The remaining terms 2x minus 3y the whole cube. So here what 8 is 2x minus 3y the whole cube. This is called q of x. The last term is r of x I am taking. Here I am going to split what is the cubic form. Cubic form means 8 is considered as 2x the whole cube. 2x the whole cube is converted as 8x cube. That is same like 27y cube. How do you write? Yes, 3y the whole cube. This is one identity. We already studied a cube minus b cube. What is the identity, girls? Yes, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. You studied in the identity 8th and 9th also. Okay, girls. This I am going to use this in this identity. Here a is considered as 2x, b is considered as 3y. Okay, now 2x minus 3y. And what? 2x the whole squared plus 2x into 3y. Here by b the whole square. Okay, girls. Now I am simplifying it. 2x minus 3y into 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Now we have to check these 3 terms. What are the common in the LCM? First we see the numbers. What is the number here? 8 they given. Before that, x squared term is there. Yes, x squared term. Then here 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y power 2 irukku. 2x minus power 1 irukku, 3 irukku. So what is the power you want to take? Yes, 2x minus 3 power 2x minus 3y power 3 is the LCM, because the order, the degree of the 2x minus 3y 2, here 1, here 3. So the highest power we should take. The remaining part, what is the remaining part is there? See, girls, yes. Here what? 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. These are the LCM. It's very important. See, girls. Now we are going to see GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor, or otherwise HCF, highest common factor. How do you find out that? In the earlier classes you have studied, here 8, 16, 2 numbers we given. So we want to divide with the 2 table 4, then here what? Yes, 8, here 2, here 4, again 2 table 1, 2. These are the numbers alone we have to take a HCF. HCF means 2 into 2 into 2. The common divisor alone we have to take. The same like we want to take variables. Variables means HCF or GCD means, see the common variables. If the common variables, the degree should be least. The degree should be least means 2 and 3. The least in a koranja degree. The very less degree we have to take. In the common variable, understand, girls? Here we have to take 1 and a square. Here 1 we have to take. The common variable. Suppose another one term z is there. That means the z is there means we should not take, because the LCM we have to include. Here the HCF or GCD we should not be include, because the common variable is not there means you should not take. Okay, girls, common illa mattu adoda degree less ah irukano eduthukano, common illadada vitrano GCD. Okay, next let us see the sum. Two polynomial given. One is take p of x. P of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x power 3, then 0x squared minus x minus 3. This is the standard form of the polynomials. 3. The degree should be descending order 3, 4, 3, 2, then 1, and then constant. Then next you have to take q of x. Then what? X power 3 plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. If the degrees is not is there means you have to use the 0. Okay, girls. Now p of x is greater than q of x. Now we want to divide the long division method. If the long division method, the GCD or rule is the long division method. If you divide it, the divisor should be, the remainder is 0 means the divisor should be a GCD. See, girls. Here the P of x and the Q of x, P of x is greater than the Q of x. So P of x is considered as the dividend, Q of x is considered as divisor. Now if you want to divide, the first term you have to take. Here x power 4, x power 3. In the rough column, we have to write x power 4 divided by x3. This is dividend, this is divisor. You will get what? X. Yes girls. X you will get that the quotient is x, and the x should be multiplied each term and put, okay, x into x cube, you will get what? X power 4, okay. Then x into x squared, you will get x cube. Then x into minus 5x, yes, you will get minus 5x squared. Then x into 3, what is the answer? Yes, plus 3x. Now you have to subtract, then only it should be in the division rule is. Now the first term cancel girls. Yes, here the 3, here the coefficient is 1. But 3 minus 1 is what? Yes, 2x cube. Okay girls. Then next, here 0 plus 5. Then what? Yes, 5x squared. Here minus 3 minus 1x. So what? Minus 4x. The next term you have to draw. Okay girls, the next it is not equal to 0. Okay ma'am, it is not equal to 0. If the remainder is 0 means the divisor is called GCD. The remainder 0 vanda divisor ennu sollala GCD. But here we cannot be say, because this should be divided. This number should be divided. This number should be divisor. Okay girls, again we want to divide girls. How do you divide girls? Here 2x cube. 2x cube, the first term is x cube. Okay. You want to divide with, you will get 2. See girls, the dividend is 2x cube, the divisor is x cube. If you divide, you will get 2. So the 2 should be multiplied each term. 2 into x cube what? 2x cube. 2 into x squared what? Is 2x squared. 2 into minus 5x minus 10x. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. Okay girls, now you have to subtract, change the sign, first term cancel, the 5 minus 2, what is the answer? Yes, 3x squared. Here minus 4 plus 10, what? Yes, plus 6x. Okay, here minus 6 minus 3, minus 9. Okay girls, this is also not 0. Take a 3 is out, the remaining is x squared plus 2x minus 3. It is also not equal to 0. Not equal to 0, now you have to divide again. This is called a divisor, this is called a dividend. So interchange. Okay girls, now the divisor is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Still the remainder should be 0, the division should be going on. Okay girls, the divisor, what is the divisor here? X squared plus 2x minus 3. The dividend is, yes, x cube plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. Okay, now you have to divide. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. Now the divide x cube divided by x squared, what is the answer? X. So you have to put the x is the quotient. The x should be multiplied in each term. So x into x squared, x cube. X into 2x plus 2x squared. X into minus 3, minus 3x. Yes, have you all understood girls? Yes, here you have to change the sign. The first term cancel. Plus 1 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, minus x squared. Here minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2x. The next term you have to draw. Okay, now this is the divider, this is the divisor. What is the answer? Minus x squared divided by x squared is equal to minus 1. So the quotient is minus 1. The quotient minus 1 should be multiplied each term. So minus x squared minus 2x plus 3. The minus 1 into x squared minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into 3. So you will change the sign, you will get 0 girls. So which divisor, if you divide, you will get a 0. That divisor is called a GCD. Now the GCD is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Have you all understand this some girls? நீங்க எதை டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு 0 வருதோ அந்த டிவைசருக்கு பேரு தான் GCD. Don't write the quotient. Don't write the quotient girls. The divisor is called greatest common divisor, GCD. Okay? Have you all understood girls?